This is the elevator at Dick's Sporting Goods at the Mall of Robinson in Robinson Township, Pennsylvania. It's an ICE. It is here. Let's go down to 1. Here we go. Here are 1. Go back up to 2. Here we go. Here are 2. Let's go down to 1. Here's the phone. Here's the certificate. 2,100 pounds capacity. Here are 1. Let's go up to 2. Saying it's not that great. Honestly thought this would be a Schindler, but apparently not. Very weird elevator for Dick's Sporting Goods. Let's get a quick cab view before I end this video because I didn't get to do this. It's not a bad elevator. For Dick's Sporting Goods. And that's it.